everyone, welcome back to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twyla, and today we're going to talk about dog subscription boxes, specifically the Bullymake Box. So this is the Bullymake Box for the month of February. I'm sorry for getting it out so late. February has been a busy month for me at work. I've been traveling quite a bit, so I haven't really been around. The Bullymake Box, if you're not familiar with it, it is a dog subscription box that is for the power chewer in your family. Now, I'm not talking about your Uncle Doug. I'm talking about your dog. So this box is designed with treats and toys for that in mind. It is $39 a month. It comes with 5 to 6 toys and treats for your dog. They're catered to your dog's weight, not your dog's age. And the thing that I think is special about this box, aside from the fact that it is for those dogs that have the really strong jaw and that just love to tear up the toys, is that the toys that they send, if your dog destroys any toy that they ship to you within 14 days, they'll replace it. So that's kind of a cool feature in itself. We're going to go into the month of February. They have 2 toys that they sent. This is the Hearthrob Toy. It says the ribs give the toy an additional strength and interesting texture for the dog to chew on. And the core gives the toy added functionality. It's strictly made from durable, natural, USA, American-made rubber. This is valued at $17. Isn't that cute? Okay. And if I forgot to say earlier, they send this box to us free for our review. We have a lot of dogs on the farm. We have more dogs than you see in the video just because those are the dogs that come in and out of the house. Now, the reason that the dogs are not in the video with me today is because we had an ice storm last week, and today was a sunny day and a warm day, and all that ice and snow melted, and it's now mud. So my dogs have been outside all day playing in the mud, and I'm not letting them back in until I can give them a bath. Okay, so the next toy in here, oh, the dogs love these kinds of toys. This is the XOXO Bullymake Candy Nylon Toy. And on the back, it says it's an extreme chewer. So you can kind of like send in your profile for your dog and tell them, you know, your dog's weight, your dog's size, and if they're a moderate chewer or a beginner chewer, or an extreme chewer. But this is really neat. It says this encourages positive chewing behaviors and it helps promote clean teeth by controlling plaque and tartar buildup. The dogs love those nylon toys. They just chew on those forever. Okay, so the treats in the box that we have this month are, this is so cute, Bullymake Lovely Lamb Bites, healthy dog treats. Lamb, sweet potato, potato starch, vegetable oil, cane, molasses, guar gum, rosemary extract, and it even tells you 1 treat per 15 pounds per day. I like that it's pink little dog bones on there. The dogs aren't here to try them out, but they'll eat most anything except for the sweet treats. And I really appreciate the fact that when they send these out, they're ziplocked. That makes it really nice to be able to give the treats. Okay, so this is what they look like. Ooh, they do not smell good. Isn't it funny how the dogs will eat anything? Whoa. Okay, so the next thing in here is Bullymake Quackstix. And these are made with duck, and they are like that. These are chewy. These are like the cracker treats that, and these are chewable. And then the last thing in here is from Soda Pup, and it's made for Bullymake in the USA. Grain-free Carob dog treats for your love. Look at that, got a heart. This says it's an excellent source of protein and calcium. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. They're little moons. Isn't that so cute? That's adorable. It smells good. What's in here? Rosemary. I guess that's what I smell is rosemary. That smells good. These are the chewy too. They're not crunchy. Those are the chewables. That makes it sound. These are the chewy consistency. They're not crunchy. These are crunchy. That was a really great box from Bullymake. I do have a coupon code if you're interested in trying this out. You can do a one-off box from them. They always offer those. I'll link my code right here and down below if you're interested. It's LMLD 10 and it gets $10 off. So I wish that the dogs were here so they could share with you their enjoyment for the treats and the toys. But I am just not ready to clean my carpet yet. So we're going to have to wait until those dogs dry off a little bit before I let them inside. Thanks so much for hanging out. Come back and see us again and we'll see you soon. Mwah.